My name is Andrew Rowe. I work for Kensa Heat Pumps. Well, I was with Smith & Reed at the time. I was part-time here at first. Now I'm actual full-time here now, which is good. I wire up the actual heat pumps and they will actually train you up, no problem at all. Obviously, you've got a good team down there. Bosses are good, Maria is good. But the main thing at Kensa I really like is people, the work I'm doing, but the electric side of it. The tell you one thing now is just like, when you as soon as you start it, it's like the day goes. It's no pressure. It's no stress. You know what you're doing. You got the diagrams there of what you're wiring up or what you're making and what goes where and everything. It's just all there. I wish I would basically come here about, basically 5 years ago, 10 years ago, to be truthful about it. The money here is brilliant as well, if anybody wants a job here at Kensa, I say, yeah, no problem at all. This is why it's so good here, because you've got the opportunity to do it.